Hey everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, I need for you to check out this pin link. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the word petitions. Click on it and sign it. Also, donate. So today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence, the stock market, according to AI. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, just for educational, informational purposes only. So, the stock market, they had what was called the Magnificent Seven, right? The Magnificent Seven. So, according to what I'm reading, they're saying move over Magnificent Seven. Now it is the AI 5. The AI 5. So, some speculate that it is this whole trend of artificial intelligence, which actually saved the stock market. So the AI 5, and I'm going to name the 5 stocks that are considered part of the AI 5. Number 1, Nvidia. Nvidia. So Nvidia is the leader when it comes to these chips to help build, train, and deploy AI models. So they have a revenue of $18.1 billion. So this increased 206% from the previous year. So the surge was an increase of 239% last year. So NVIDIA is the leader in all of this, according to the articles. Number 2, Microsoft, part of the AI 5, Microsoft. So Microsoft invested $10 billion in OpenAI last year. Microsoft is the important reason that we have ChatGPT. There's also Binge available. Microsoft surpassed Apple to become the most valuable company, and they have a market cap of $3 trillion. So that is number 2, Microsoft. Number 3, AMD. So AMD is important in the chip making industry also. They make the chips for the computers that you're watching me on, the computers, the cell phones that everyone has, the chips that go in the cars, and for data centers. So AMD is a very important player in this whole artificial intelligence thing, and they are considered part of the AI 5. Number 4, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer, ticker symbol TSM. So they make more than half of the world's chips. However, their stock was down into comparison to the other stocks. So this is Taiwan Semiconductor Marketing, and they are part of what is considered the AI 5. Then number 5, we have broadband, ticker symbol AVGO. They make data center switches, and they control how fast data travels from one point to another. So this company is called Broadband, ticker symbol AVGO. So these are considered the AI 5. So there was the Magnificent Seven. They're saying move over Magnificent Seven. Now it's time for the AI 5. Uh, just a short recap. Number 1, NVIDIA. Number 2, Microsoft. Number 3, AMD. Number 4, Taiwan Semiconductor Marketing. And number 5, broadband. So again, keep in mind, this is not financial advice, just for information. This is an article I read, Move Over Magnificent 7. It is time for the AI 5. So what are you doing over there? Are you an investor in the stock market? If so, what are you doing in terms of AI, artificial intelligence? And then you know that the stock market is not the end all be all, but there is this whole diversification of creating a business. You could create a business or you could buy a business. Creating a business, what business are you working on? And getting in the habit of buying property, real estate. So you got the stock market, you got your business, and you have real estate. All right. So this is what is currently going on in the stock market. So if you would like to share your information, feel free to share. Of course, there are other artificial intelligence stocks that are doing better than the stocks that I mentioned. If you're interested, you could check out the link below and join my investment group. All right. Also, if you are not in the stock market, you don't invest, it's a good idea to start investing, and you can get started by joining my investment group. All right. If you are a parent, teach your children how to invest. Some people get this very, very early. I'm talking 9 years old. Some people get this information very, very early, and you don't have to have a lot of money to start investing. You can start investing with $5. So it's very important to get your children started teaching them how to invest and giving them this skill early, as opposed to them finding out about it later. If you are a teenager by chance and you're watching me, I encourage you to get into the stock market. Again, you don't have to have a lot of money to get in the stock market, right? It is a skill that is very important to building wealth. So again, my link is below if you are interested. Also, my email, I have my email if you had any questions. Also, in terms when it comes down to teaching your children, as you know, you can invest for your children the day after you give birth. So you don't have to wait until they're 9. You can invest for them. You can invest for them. Then when they reach 9 or whatever age you determine, then you can start teaching them about investing. All right. So if you're not in, get in, check the link. Teenagers watching me, get in, check the link. Parents watching me, you're not in, get in, check the link. Parents, if you have children asking you about the stock market, get in and check the link. I am right here. All right. Stock market is very important. Again, it is not the end all be all, or you have other things going on. All right. Okay, so do me a favor before we leave. I need for you to hit this like button. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, very important, this pin link, I need you to click on it, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the word petitions, sign it, and donate. So, again, before you leave, hit that like button. All right, thank you for watching. Also, if you're watching and you would like to have different type guests on the show, let me know what kind of guests you would like to see in terms of business, in terms of real estate, um, even in terms of arts, entertainment. Who would you like to see? Put it in the comments. and let me know what you're interested in seeing as far as me bringing people onto the show. All right. So I interview millionaires, multimillionaires, and entrepreneurs. All right. So you will be seeing them sporadically. Let me know what you're interested in seeing. All right. Thank you for watching. And on the way out, hit that like button. Have a good rest of your day.